Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your REALME Narzo 50i Prime. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next, let's try finding Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game right here. Now go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, reveal family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games. Enter your PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the setting afterwards. Go back, try finding game again, and it's right here, and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.